Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are out and exploring today. If this is your first time clicking on the video, appreciate it one more time. Go ahead and hit that sub button. Go ahead and hit the like and share this out to everybody. All right, like I said, we are out and about, just doing a little exploration of a area that's relatively close to me. And we're gonna go just check it out for a little bit and see how it is. Don't know how it is, never been there. Should be a nice little area, but I have to take the highway. This is gonna be fun. Well, back to the awesome highway run. I'll be back to you here in a minute once I'm done with this. So, see you in a little bit. We have gotten off the highway, as you could tell. It shouldn't be too far from here. Cool little spot that I saw on the map. I was like, let's just go check it out. Let's see how it is. Hopefully it's not closed. It's an actual park, but I don't know if it's closed or not, so we're gonna find out. So I went and bought this little tripod phone holder. I'll show you guys here in a minute what I got, just to see if I can get a little bit more still shots. It's just my hands are just way too shaky, you know what I mean? Like when you're like 60 like me, you got shaky hands and you just can't hold the camera as steady as you used to be. Now I'm still steady as a rock now, don't get me wrong, I just can't hold that phone steady anymore. So I have to try and do my best to get other things to hold it for me now. But here we are, little place called Cherokee's Bluff. Never been here before. I'm gonna check it out. I don't even know if I have to pay or not. Doesn't look like I have to. That's a cool little house. I don't know if that's like somebody's actual place that they stay at, or just a cabin or whatever. I'll ride around here and check things out. That's cool. Well, they got that spot over there closed off. Dang, that sucks. That's actually where I wanted to go. Ain't that a biscuit? So, what am I supposed to do with this thing? Ain't that just a bit? I want to go over there. Let's go find out what it is, huh? Let's go take a look. Looks like it's a disc golf area. Disc golf area. I know people going around it. I can see the bike trails. I was just wondering if I was able to take the bike over there, just take a couple of pics and then come back.
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, so we are gonna do this thing. So I'm not gonna go that way because that's too steep. I'm gonna have to try to go around this way. This ought to be fun. I'm about to do some very non-MT09 stuff. Yeah, that is sketch as hell. That is some next level sketchiness. Yeah, maybe I don't go all the way up. That is some next level sketchiness. Oh my God. Lord Jesus, don't let me drop this bike out here. I'll be back. All right, all done with the gas. Let's get out of here. Once again, I appreciate you guys coming along with me as I just take the bike out, just have a little fun, do a little exploration, take a few photos. And if you haven't, go ahead and hit the sub button, go ahead and hit the like and the share, and that way I can continue to bring you guys this type of content. We will see you guys here on the next one.